Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I'm going to show you some wonderful resources to help you celebrate World Kindness Day. World Kindness Day is celebrated on November 13. Firstly, log on to twinkl.com.au. Once you have logged on, you need to click on the Foundation to Year 2 tab. Then locate Topics and click on Festival Celebration and Events. Here you will find lots of titles for different events happening throughout the year. Find World Kindness Day. Now you are able to see the many amazing resources available for you to download. Some of the available resources are display packs, PowerPoints, challenge cards, worksheets, and student awards. Today I'm going to show you 3 versatile resources. Firstly, here is the Random Acts of Kindness Whole School Assembly Pack. You could download this and use it during your whole school assembly. It has a script to guide you during the presentation. A great activity that you could use with your students is the I Can Be Kind differentiated worksheets. This resource is a great way to teach your junior primary students about being kind. You can download this resource in alternative versions like different state fonts or different ability levels. The last resource that I'm going to share with you is the Tree of Kindness display pack. This pack contains all the resources that you need to make a tree of kindness in your classroom. Every time someone shows some wonderful kindness, write it down on a handprint and add it to the tree. Watch your tree grow as the children are kind to one another. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for some more Twinkl Tips.